For anyone shopping for a new pickup truck, you know that reliability is a must. While some trucks are known for their dependability, others are falling short, leading to a lot of visits to the repair shop and unexpected expenses. Here are 5 of the least reliable 2024 pickup trucks in America to avoid. First on the list is the Nissan Titan. Despite its powerful V8 engine and spacious interior, the Titan has been plagued with reliability issues. Owners report frequent problems with the transmission, electrical system, and overall build quality. That's what the owners say. These issues lead to higher repair costs and downtime, making the Titan a truck to think twice about. Next up is the Ram 1500. While it's praised for its luxurious interior and smooth ride, the 2024 model has seen an uptick in reported problems. Common issues reported include transmission failures, electrical gremlins, and problems with the air suspension system. These reliability concerns can lead to costly repairs and frustrations for future owners. The Chevrolet Colorado is known for its versatility and off-road capability, but it does fall short in the reliability department. Owners of Colorado trucks have reported issues with the transmission, engine, and various electrical components. The frequent need for repairs can really diminish your overall owner experience. The Ford Ranger offers strong performance and good towing capabilities, but it's not without its problems. The 2024 model has seen reports of transmission issues, turbocharger failures, and electrical problems. These reliability concerns can lead to significant maintenance costs and downtime. Now, similar to its sibling, the Chevrolet Colorado, the GMC Canyon has faced reliability challenges. Common complaints include problems with the transmission, engine, and electrical system. These issues can lead also to frequent trips to the mechanic and unexpected expenses for owners. The Tundra, often praised for its durability, but the 2024 model has seen an increase in reported issues. Owners have experienced problems with the air induction pump, frame rust, and various electrical components. While it's generally reliable, these issues can be costly to fix and affect your overall owner experience. The Jeep Gladiator combines the off-road prowess of a Jeep with the utility of a pickup truck, but it has struggled with its reliability. Common issues include transmission problems, electrical failures, and engine concerns. These problems can too lead to high repair costs and decreased reliability. The Chevy Silverado 1500 is a popular choice for its performance and towing capacity, but it too has faced its share of reliability issues. 1500 owners report problems with the transmission, engine, and electrical system. These frequent repairs can add up, making the Silverado a less dependable choice. It's on here for a reason. Even though it's America's best-selling truck, the F-150 in 2024 has seen an increase in reliability complaints. Common issues include problems with the EcoBoost engine, transmission failures, and electrical system glitches. While it's still a top seller, these reliability concerns can lead to costly repairs. Rounding out the list is the Ram 2500, known for its heavy-duty capabilities. The 2500 has faced issues with transmission, turbocharger, and various electrical components. Those reliability problems can result in high maintenance costs and, of course, frustration. There you go, 10 of the least reliable pickup trucks in America based on what owners have to say. If you are in the market for a new or used vehicle and prefer a truck, check out quotes.everymandriver.com. It's a free search engine for the lowest and best prices in your area from qualified dealerships, not your average mom and pops, but qualified dealerships. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a few miles to save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new or used truck of your choice by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a link below this video. Well, that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please click subscribe. It helps support this channel, and it's free. Until next time, adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.